kilos for a month after that. And then they're going to tell us
the people in the camp who were injured and they needed to. His was the only one that didn't fall sick because of the exercises that he showed them. Their immunity was really good. And Joseph Pilates himself was a boxer, he was a gymnast, he was a heavy weightlifter, he used to do competitions, he used to do yoga. His mother was a naturopath, she was kind of a naturopath. His father was, and his brother were both professional boxers. So he took a little bit of every science and created Pilates. That's why people say, oh, Pilates is so much like yoga, it's a lot like gymnastics. Because Joseph Pilates was all these things. And then he created this system where he embraced everything together, but we work from the core. And that's why when sports people, always advise to do Pilates, because it helps them perform their sports better. Stand at the end of your mat, okay? Hands by your side, and just press into the balls of one foot without letting your weight shift. So why don't you guys face the mirror so you can see and come to the back of your mat? Right? So you can see what we're doing. So you stand to your foot, and at the same time make sure your knees. I want you to lift and press it down, and lift and press it down, and lift. So you'll see what is happening, just to give you a little. Because we never do this, you're so tentative about pressing into the balls of your feet. And why? Because the articulation of the foot never happens. When do we think of working our feet? And which is the part that works the most in our body? Our foot, right? Of the foot. And that is really important. And you realize if you do this, when you're sprinting, this is your stance, right? So, exactly. So that articulation of the foot is very, very important. Okay, it might seem bold. Don't feel shy. Press into that foot. Press and down. And press. You're still not doing it. And down. And press. 3 and down. And press. Lift that heel off. And down. And press. 4 and down. Last one. Press and down. This time you're going to press and lift it to go to the toes. And then press back to the ball. Play and up. And play and up. And play. Don't push your butt back and up. Imagine the wall. You're sliding your shoulders down the wall. Your knees will go ahead of the toes because that's what.
So today we're having an informal service
Hi.
from Physical Practice.
Nice to meet you.
And have been the partner.
I just show up. I try and show up every day. That's my only goal with exercise.
So for me, definitely, all three of them, are icons for me. So Gul and Yasmin have been meeting for a long time. So I'm glad that this event has happened where they both come together to launch what is an important landmark for body image. So what I'd like to do is ask influencers who have helped groups experience Pilates. Rehan, who was telling us about
waiting that one day I'm going to start Pilates because I'm very experimental with my exercise.
Right.
And that's the one box.
And the last time we
that
met, you told me that I want to try
it's been on my bucket list to try because I think it's really important to keep doing different things when it comes to fitness.
Correct.
And that's been on my bucket list. So finally it's here.
And it's close to home for
Yes.
girls. So
Yeah,
let's go.
But like all three of
Okay,
us.
that's
You're
very
not I'm not stressed for stretching.
Oh, I read.
So can we get a photo with the two together?
बैठना है यार
Well, we've been talking about how Pilates is. Oh, it's not the reformer.
It is the reformer and the half Cadillac together, and that's why it's called the power of tower. So it's like two machines combined into one for places like Dubai where space is very expensive and you have to like really, and I think they built it for us, not knowing that it would be for us, but also for people who don't have, like a lot of people abroad keep this in their house. So it's like getting to, you can literally lift, I mean you have to remove all of this, but if you see on the other end, there are wheels, so it stands up and you can lift, literally put this machine, I don't like that. Yeah, sorry, not like that, but without that, it actually stands on that footrest.
And what happens to
and
that?
No,
That
that's
comes out.
that
Ah,
collapses.
okay.
So what happens is,
Yeah,
we
that
have
I go to the gym from.
we have these
Doing
little
this, yeah.
knobs here that I had was in a building next door, and I'd spent a lot of money doing up the studio, and I had this machine, and the building put a case on me.
Yeah, so if you guys have yeah, all of you. Yeah, it's a tiny scissor.
I think they were trying to make sure nobody